Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 25th June 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 14.5 points up move at the level of 11,730.5, and US markets have occasionally done for itself 8 points up on DowJones, 26 points down on Nasdaq, and 5 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green to flat in today's pre-open and continue to open session as well. Indian markets again had one more negative day on the day yesterday. Yesterday the Indian markets opened somewhere a bit higher, however closed again around lower levels. So what is Indian market supports and resistances we have to watch out for? Yesterday the Indian market hit a high of 11,754 and closed at 11,700 level, 11,699.65 levels. So that's the Indian market yesterday. So what is the supports and resistances? What is MACD suggesting? What is slow stochastic suggesting? Fast stochastic suggesting? We'll look into all these. So what is fast stochastic at now? Fast stochastic is at 15 and slow stochastic is at 26. Both are denoting we are almost in a oversold zone. We have to go upwards from here. So that's what it is denoting. So let us hope that we will see that there is more up move in the making in today's session. So what are the supports we are actually looking for? So the supports are the same from yesterday, whatever I have told in the yesterday's video. So the supports, the first support comes at 11,650 levels and 11,635 levels, 11,622 levels and 11,600 levels, 11,584 levels, 11,567, 11,550 of course is a very strong support for the market. 11,500 is a psychological support for the market as of now. If that is broken, then we may see that 11,354 is very likely to be touched in order for the market to go upwards. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The first resistance is at 11,771, which is the all-time high, previous all-time high Indian markets has clocked, and above that 11,800, of course 11,853 and 11,860 and 11,900, 11,926 and 11,936 and 11,987, 12,000, 12,041, 12,100 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for. So that's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.